Let me ask you a simple but powerful question. Have you ever truly wondered how someone with no fancy degrees, no powerful family connections, and no wealth to start with becomes one of the world's most respected billionaires? Imagine this: no one to introduce them to the right people, no expensive education to open doors, and no safety net of money to fall back on. Yet somehow, they rise to the very top. How is it possible? Is it luck? Is it magic? Or is there a deeper, more practical secret that you and I can use too? The truth is, it's not about luck at all. And it's not about being in the right place at the right time. It's about something far more accessible and real. Something you can tap into, starting right now, today. Think about a young boy in school, constantly told he wasn't good enough. He couldn't read like the others. His grades were a disaster. Teachers wrote him off. But this boy didn't let those early struggles define him. He refused to let labels limit his life. That boy was Richard Branson. Today, he's the founder of the Virgin Group, a global empire of airlines, record labels, and even space travel. But he didn't start with money, fancy connections, or a clear plan. He started with a decision to think differently, to see his challenges not as walls, but as doors he could break open. At just 16, Richard Branson made a decision that would change his life forever. He launched a magazine called Student. He had no experience in publishing, no money to fund it, and certainly no wealthy friends to back him up. In fact, everyone around him told him he was wasting his time. They said, "What's the point? You're too young, too inexperienced, and it will never work." But he didn't listen to the noise. Instead of focusing on what he lacked, he focused on what he could do. He looked for possibilities, not problems. That choice, to see opportunity where others saw only obstacles, was the moment everything began to change. And it's not just Richard Branson's story. If you look closely at the lives of the world's most successful thinkers, entrepreneurs, and spiritual leaders, you'll notice the same pattern repeated over and over again. They might say it in different words or with different examples, but the core message never changes. What you think, you become. Your environment shapes your thoughts. You can't create a new life with the same old thinking. It doesn't matter if it's a billionaire building an empire, a monk mastering inner peace, or an artist creating timeless work. The principle is universal. Your thoughts create your future. The way you think shapes everything else that follows. Think about your own life for a moment. How often do you let the world around you decide what's possible? How often do you let the news, gossip, or someone else's negative opinions shape your dreams? It happens to so many people. It's easy to get pulled into that noise until you decide to take control. That's exactly what Richard Branson did. He stopped letting the negativity of others shape his vision. He surrounded himself with people who believed in taking action and thinking big. He was careful about the books he read, the conversations he had, and the way he spent his time. And you can do the same. Here's the real lesson. Your mind is like a garden. If you keep planting seeds of doubt, negativity, and fear, you'll only grow more of the same. But if you plant seeds of belief, possibility, and courage, your mind will transform. And when your thoughts change, your whole life changes. Always remember this: what you think about most of the time is what you ultimately become. Think of it this way: your thoughts are like a map. If you spend every day thinking about your goals, your mind will naturally start finding ways to reach them. But if your mind is always stuck on problems or worries, you'll keep finding more of the same. If your mind is always focused on problems and challenges, you'll keep seeing more of them.
everywhere you look. It's like wearing glasses that only show you what's wrong. Even when things are good, you'll find something negative. Your focus will keep attracting more problems, because that's what your mind expects. But if you shift your focus to growth, fresh ideas, and new opportunities, you'll start to notice them all around you. When you choose to focus on progress and positive change, your mind starts to see paths you never noticed before. It's as if the world itself changes, because your thoughts are clearer, stronger, and more hopeful. And that's how you start moving forward, even when it once seemed impossible. So, what did we learn today? Success doesn't come down to luck or chance. It comes down to what you let into your mind and your life. Change your thoughts. Choose your environment carefully. Because when you do that, you're not just hoping for a better life, you're building one. Today, I want you to pause for a moment. Really take a look at your life. Who are the people you're spending most of your time with? What kind of conversations are you having? What's filling your mind every day? Encouragement, ideas, or endless negativity? If you find that what you're letting in isn't helping you grow, if it's holding you back or shrinking your dreams, it's time to make a change. You have that power. You can decide to step back from what doesn't serve you and step closer to what will help you thrive. Because here's the simple truth. Your thoughts are the most powerful thing you own. They're what guide your actions, shape your habits, and create using your future. Use them wisely. Be deliberate about what you feed
your mind and who you surround yourself with. Because in the end, what you choose to think about shapes everything you do. Curious how people just like you, people in our community of 50,000 achievers, are using this exact mindset to create daily income and real freedom? I've shared a step-by-step system in a free guide. Click the link in my bio and see how you can start applying this in your life today. Because remember, what you think, you become, and what you choose to do with that thought can change everything.